Hi friends, welcome back to my channel Learning Made Easy. So this video is the second part of the video where I had presented on the explanation of writing section, where I have been explaining the letters, official, non-official, slogan writing and story writing. Now this is the next part of that. As I said, these videos are for both grade 9 and 10, and you can just take the portions that you have and just skip where you don't have to watch. Okay, so here I begin this video with Samvad Lekhan. Now, Samvad Lekhan is not there for grade 10. This is for grade 9. And Samvad means conversation. Okay? Conversation between people is what Samvad means. So, how to write them? Let's see. संवाद की विशेषता संवाद में निम्नलिखित विशेषताएं होनी चाहिए. So, what all should be there while writing a conversation? Let's see. स्वाभाविकता संवाद में स्वाभाविकता होनी चाहिए. पात्रों की अपनी स्थिति, संस्कार आदि को ध्यान में रखकर बोलना चाहिए. सो you should know the behavior of the characters, okay, what position each character holds, and on the basis of that you have to write in your conversation. Okay, for example, you're writing between a father and a son. Father will be addressed a bit respectfully, and while when father talks to son, it will be different, right? So on the basis of the character they hold, you have to use the language that you write in your conversation. पात्रानुकूल भाषा संवाद में भाग ले रहे छात्रों की भाषा उनकी शिक्षा आयु आदि के अनुरूप होनी चाहिए. एक शिक्षित और it's not written, I'm sorry, अशिक्षित, okay, में अंतर होना चाहिए. That is, they'll on the basis of the character, as I said, you will understand how to write. Same way, if a person is educated and the conversation is between educated and uneducated, that difference should also be seen in your conversation. Okay, means it should be very real. Okay, real kind of a conversation between two people. That is how you have to write your conversation. उसके साथ संवाद कर रहे अनपढ़ की भाषा में अंतर नजर आना चाहिए. Okay, that is written as a next point by mistake. So as I said, there should be a difference between an educated and uneducated person, if that is what you are writing your conversation on. प्रभावशैली संवाद को बोलने की शैली प्रभावशाली होनी चाहिए. सुनने वाले पर संवादों का असर होना चाहिए. So it should be very attractive. Whichever section you take in your writing section, it has to be attractive. Okay, this point will be there. So when you write a conversation, it has to be attractive. ये नहीं कि you start writing like yeah, how are you? I'm fine. Yeah, then what is happening these days? And when you can start your conversation in that manner, but you shouldn't include that kind of conversation a lot. Okay, on the point, there should be many conversations. Okay, conversations shall be there which is on to the point of the question you have in your question paper. Okay, beginning, of course, you can write hi, namaste, kaise ho, ye, wo, but after that there should be many conversations on the point. And one thing you have to note is that if you are writing a conversation between people who live in same house, okay, बड़े भाई छोटे भाई जो एक ही घर में रह रहे हैं, okay, they are in same house, that time please note that you shouldn't write namaste, kaise ho. This is how people think that conversation should always start like this. No, just imagine you are in same house with your sibling and you're like, how are you? I hope you are fine. Will you speak these things to them? No, you daily see them, and why should you ask them how are you? You're in the same house. So there should be difference in there. So always, when whatever you have in the question paper, please make a note of who are the people you are writing upon in the conversation, and then you should start your conversation. Okay. Here there is an example. मोबाइल फ़ोन से बच्चों की पढ़ाई प्रभावित हो रही है. इस बारे में दो महिलाओं की बातचीत को संवाद रूप में लिखिए. So today, as we know, we have online classes. So there is a mobile phone classes that is there between kids, and it is parents are happy with it. So you need to write a conversation between two parents. Okay, two mothers. Okay, mahila means women. Two women whose kids are having mobile classes. They are having a conversation. Let's see. First woman, Rajini. Are Sarita, kaisi ho? Now this is two women from two different houses. So of course you can start like, Are Sarita, how are you? So Sarita is another woman. Sarita is saying, मैं ठीक हूँ. अरे हाँ, कल बेटे का जन्मदिन ढंग से मना लिया. So Sarita is saying that yeah, I am fine. Yesterday it was our son's birthday, which we celebrated very nicely. रजनी, जन्मदिन तो मना लिया पर बेटा स्मार्टफोन लेने की जिद पर अड़ा हुआ है. Oh, okay. So the question is on the mobile phone. बच्चों की पढ़ाई प्रभावित है. So just see how the conversation began. That the son is saying, I need a mobile phone. Okay, he is very stubborn about that. सरिता, तो दिला दो ना उसे एक फ़ोन. सो सरिता इज सेइंग टू बाय हिम अ फ़ोन. रजनी, सरिता बात फ़ोन की नहीं है, फ़ोन लेकर वह उसी में लगा रहेगा. इफ़ आई बाय हिम अ फ़ोन ही इज़ गोइंग टू बी फुल टाइम इन टू इट. सरिता, ये बात तो है, आज लगभग हर बच्चे के पास फ़ोन मिल जाता है, पर इसका दुष्प्रभाव उनकी पढ़ाई पर हो रहा है. Sarita is saying that there is a bad kind of effect on children because they have started using mobile phone a lot. रजनी, आज बच्चे पढ़ते कम हैं, फ़ोन पर ज़्यादा समय. सो किड्स आर लर्निंग लेस एंड दे स्पेंड मोर टाइम ऑन फ़ोन. मैंने अपने बेटे को फ़ोन तो दिला दिया पर वह टेस्ट में 2 विषय में फ़ेल हो गया. सो सरिता इज सेइंग व्हेन आई बाइड फ़ोन फॉर माई सन ही फेल्ड इन 2 सब्जेक्ट्स. मेरी बेटी को जो पहाड़े पहले से याद थे और वह जमा गुणा मौखिक करती थी, अब वह मोबाइल में कैलकुलेटर पर करने लगी है. सो see here the question is what is the effect of mobile phone on kids. Okay, effect means negative effect. Okay, I first thought it is a positive effect, but no, please note it is a negative effect. So Rajini is saying that my daughter, who used to know pahade means tables very well before, okay, she used to do it orally. Okay, just on in mind she used to calculate, but now she is using a calculator which is there in the फ़ोन. सरिता, बच्चे गेम खेल कर अपना समय ख़राब करें यहाँ तक तो ठीक है, पर वे मोबाइल फ़ोन पर दुरुपयोग करने लगे हैं. So Sarita is saying that okay, kids play games on mobile. Okay, that much is okay. But after that, they start even improper usage of these mobile phones. रजनी, बच्चों को जागरूक कर इसे रोकने चाहिए ताकि वे पढ़ाई में मन लगाएं. सरिता, ये ठीक रहेगा. So Rajani is saying at the end that we have to make the kids jagruk, aware about these things they are doing, okay, and we have to help them focus more on studies. So this is how you write a conversation between 2 people. As I said, only the first 2 conversation were general. After that, everything were to the point. Okay, so the question was negative effects of mobile phone on kids. Next, Sandesh Lekhan. Sandesh means message. Okay, संदेश शब्द की उत्पत्ति संस्कृत से मानी गई है. द वर्ड संदेश कम्स फ्रॉम संस्कृत, जिसका अर्थ है खबर या समाचार प्राप्त करना. द मीनिंग ओवर हियर इज टू रिसीव सम काइंड ऑफ ए न्यूज़ और इन्फॉर्मेशन. जब कोई व्यक्ति किसी कारणवश किसी दूसरे व्यक्ति से सीधे बात नहीं कर सकता, तब वह कोई जानकारी या समाचार या खबर संदेश के जरिए दूसरे व्यक्ति तक पहुंचाता है. सो if a person cannot have one-on-one conversation, that is when he sends a message, okay, in order to inform something. Okay, संदेश किसी व्यक्ति विशेष या किसी समूह द्वारा किसी व्यक्ति विशेष या समूहों को दिया जा सकता है. So संदेश is between a person to another person, or between many people to a single person, or between a single person to many people, a group of people. Okay, so what all are the things you have to remember while writing message? सबसे पहले संदेश को किसी सीमा रेखा जैसे बॉक्स या गोले के अंदर लिखा जाए. सो मैसेज शुड ऑलवेज बी रिटन इन अ बॉक्स. ओके, संदेश की शुरुआत में संदेश शब्द अवश्य लिखें. सो एट द बिगिनिंग प्लीज राइट द वर्ड संदेश. उसके बाद दिनांक, आफ्टर दैट यू राइट योर डेट, टाइम, समय अवश्य लिखें. इट शुड बी प्रॉपर एंड यू हैव टू राइट. फिर मुख्य विषय का कम लेकिन प्रभावशाली शब्द वर्णन करें. एंड देन ऑन द मेन टॉपिक यू विल राइट. You needn't write in a big sentences and very big and explanatory form. It should be short. It should be short but to the point. All the points should be clear and attractive. अंत में संदेश लिखने वाले का नाम अवश्य लिखें. The person who is writing the message, his name has to be specified at the end. संदेश लेखन की शब्द सीमा 30 to 40 words. Okay, 30 to 40 words is the limit in which you have to write your message. अगर चित्रों का उपयोग करना उचित लगे तो विषय अनुसार किया जा सकता है. If you feel that there is a necessity to include a picture, you can, but it should be to the topic. अगर शायरी, दोहे, श्लोक या कविता की आवश्यकता हो तो प्रयोग कर सकते हैं. इफ़ यू वांट टू यूज़ सम शायरी, ओके, सम पोएम लाइन्स, ओके, देन यू कैन यूज़ देम इफ़ नेसेसरी. संदेश सरल व संक्षिप्त शब्दों में प्रभावशाली विषय के अनुसार लिखा जा सकता है. इट शुड बी टू द टॉपिक, easy words, okay, and in a summary kind of a form, in a very short form. विषय के अनुसार रंगों का भी प्रयोग किया जा सकता है. ऑन द बेसिस ऑफ द टॉपिक यू कैन ऑल्सो यूज कलर्स. संदेश के अंदर इधर उधर की बातें ना लिखकर केवल विषय वस्तु पर ध्यान देना अति आवश्यक है. सो यू शुडंट राइट समथिंग हियर एंड देयर, ओके, विच इज़ नॉट टू द टॉपिक. It should be to the topic. The words you use should be to the topic, and this should be there in your mind. Okay, it's very important. Okay, this is how you write a sandesh. Now example for sandesh I'll be showing at the end. Okay, example for sandesh, vigyapan, these things I'll be showing at the end. Okay, because it is in images. Next, vigyapan lekhan, that is advertisement. विज्ञापन का उद्देश्य है जानकारी पहुंचाना. द मेन एम ऑफ विज्ञापन इज़ टू इन्फॉर्म समवन. इससे लोगों का ज्ञान बढ़ता है. द इन्फॉर्मेशन अबाउट अ पर्टिकुलर थिंग ऑल्सो इंक्रीजेज इन द माइंड्स ऑफ पीपल. उनके सामने चुनाव के विकल्प, गुण, मूल्य परखने की सुविधा सरलता से उपलब्ध हो जाती है. सो with advertisement, on the basis of value of a particular thing, on the basis of the benefits of using that particular thing, quality, etc., we can actually classify things and we can buy according to our own wish. This is very easy with the help of advertisements. इससे विक्रेता भी लाभ कमाते हैं. विज्ञापन की सहायता से कम खर्च में अधिक लोगों तक अपनी बात पहुंचाई जा सकती है. सो the seller also gets the advantage of advertisement. Okay, he is easily able to give the information about the product. At the same time, the customer also receives the advantage of advertisement because he understands the quality, value, and what makes this product different from other products. All the information you will get through advertisement, and this is the very easy, okay, and less expensive kind of a form of medium through which you can sell your product. What are the things you have to remember while making advertisement? विज्ञापन की भाषा आकर्षक होनी चाहिए. The language you use in advertisement, it has to be attractive. शब्द ऐसे होने चाहिए जो कम से कम होने पर अधिक अर्थ की अभिव्यक्ति करें. Words should be very less, but those very less words should give very big explanation. विज्ञापित वस्तु का चित्र साफ और स्पष्ट होना चाहिए. If you are making pictures in advertisement, maximum you try to use pictures. It makes advertisement more attractive. So the pictures you're using, it has to be very clear. विज्ञापन में छूट, स्टॉक सीमित, जल्दी करें जैसे शब्द अवश्य होने चाहिए. सी, दिस इज अ पॉइंट. प्लीज नोट वेरी केयरफुली some words you can use in advertisement. छूट, okay, that is discount, छूट. स्टॉक सीमित, that is there is only limited stock. स्टॉक सीमित. And jaldi kare, make it fast. Okay, these three words are very nice and important words you can include in all your advertisements. All your advertisement means, of course, you have to write only one advertisement, but whatever the topic is, you can include these words. विज्ञापन बड़े शब्दों में लिखा जाना चाहिए ताकि दूर से पढ़ा जा सके. The words you use in vigyapan and advertisement, since it is very less, you can, of course, you can write it in big handwriting so that, now don't make it that big that the person who is correcting gets angry with your paper. Please don't do that. Since I have said you will go and write in big handwriting and then I don't know what happens. So please, but still, normal which you write, just make it a little big and bold so that it is clear to a person and person becomes attractive and starts reading your advertisement. विज्ञापन में चित्र रंगीन होनी चाहिए. So you can use colors in your advertisement. Of course, if you're not able to take colors, now don't use colors and waste your time and you're not able to complete your question paper. Don't make it reach to that point. Okay, this is just an example. You can just, if you want, you can use colors while going to the exam hall. Just take 2 colors or something. Okay, ये नहीं कि you take the entire color pencil box and you feel like some drawing exam is going on and you spend your entire time on advertisement. Please don't do that. Your exam paper must be lengthy, so focus on that, not just on advertisement. Yeah, example for this also I'll be showing at the end. Next is सूचना लेखन. सूचना, notice. सूचना लेखन के माध्यम से जन साधारण से सीधे संवाद स्थापित किया जा सकता है. विद द पब्लिक यू कैन डायरेक्टली स्पीक थ्रू सूचना, दैट इज़ नोटिस. इसके माध्यम से कम खर्च और अल्प परिश्रम से अधिकाधिक लोगों तक सूचनाएं पहुंचाई जाती है. विथ लेस एक्सपेंस okay, and less effort, you can easily reach to people on the basis of notice. छात्रों को भी तरह तरह की सूचनाएं विद्यालय के सूचना पट पर लिखी मिलती है. सूचना पट means notice board. This is a word which might come in your question paper in any of the questions of Suchna. Suchna Pat, it means notice board. So in schools also you have notice board. You all must be having notice board in which the school might put some kind of a notice in order to make you aware about something that's going to happen in your school. सूचनाएं प्रायः ऐसे स्थान पर लिखी जाती है जहां लोगों द्वारा वे आसानी से देखी और पढ़ी जा सके. सो नोटिस विल ऑलवेज बी प्लेस्ड इन सच अ प्लेस वेयर it's a center of the school or center of wherever the society is. The public can easily reach to that point and read the notice very easily. Only in those places the notice will be placed. Now let's see what are the things you have to remember. सूचना प्रायः 3 या 4 वाक्यों में लिखी जानी चाहिए. 3 to 4 sentences you can include in your notice. Sentences are not words. सूचना पूर्ण और आसानी से समझ में आने वाली होनी चाहिए. It has to be complete. Each and every sentence you use should be complete and easily understandable. सूचना सरल शब्दों में लिखी जानी चाहिए. It should be written in simple words. सूचना की भाषा प्रभावपूर्ण और मर्यादित शब्दों में लिखी जानी चाहिए. It has to be attractive, but also it has to be in a respectable form. Okay, you shouldn't use words like मैंने बोला तुम ऐसा करो, तुमको ऐसा करना ही चाहिए. These kind of a sentence, it's very rude. There is no respect in it. Okay, it is not the way. You can use, instead of bola, you can write like kaha, the words like kaha, and you can use like आपको ये आप ये कर सकते हैं. आप प्लीज़, आपको अगर आप इच्छुक छात्र अगर हिस्सा लेना चाहता है तो इस नंबर पर संपर्क करें या फिर इस अध्यापिका से संपर्क करें. संपर्क means contact. This is also a word you can use. So it should be in a respectable form. Okay, it shouldn't be very rude. सूचना देने वाले का नाम या स्थान विशेष की जानकारी अवश्य होनी चाहिए. The name and place of the person who is giving the notice and to whom to contact, etc. should be very clear and it has to be mentioned. सूचना देने वाले के हस्ताक्षर और दिनांक अवश्य लिखा जाना चाहिए. And also the name or signature of the person who is giving the notice and date should also be clearly, specifically mentioned in your सूचना, in your notice. Now here is an example. Vidya Bharati Secondary School, the name of your school, and then you will write सूचना and the Jyoti Nagar, Delhi. All the address is given. खेल परिषद. अगली पंक्ति में मोटे अक्षरों में लिखना चाहिए सूचना. आफ्टर दैट इन द नेक्स्ट लाइन यू विल, इन बिग हैंड राइटिंग यू विल राइट सूचना. इसके बाद शीर्षक, टॉपिक. ओके, उसके नीचे अगले एक अनुच्छेद में इस तरह लिखनी चाहिए. ओके, आफ्टर सूचना यू विल राइट द टॉपिक एंड आफ्टर दैट यू आर गोइंग टू राइट द नोटिस. हमारे विद्यालय की खेल परिषद द्वारा आगामी सोमवार को प्रातः 9 बजे एक टाइल कार्यक्रम आयोजित किया जा रहा है. सो यू आर इन्फॉर्मिंग व्हाट इज द प्रोग्राम इन योर स्कूल फर्स्ट. ओके, देयर इज अ खेल परिषद जिसके माध्यम से विभिन्न खेलों, क्रिकेट, टेबल टेनिस, लंबी दौड़, फुटबॉल, वॉलीबॉल, कबड्डी आदि की टीम बनाने हेतु संभावित खिलाड़ियों का चयन किया जाएगा. सो ऑन द इन दिस खेल परिषद व्हाट इज गोइंग टू हैपन. फर्स्ट व्हाट इज द प्रोग्राम, आफ्टर दैट व्हाट विल हैपन इन दैट प्रोग्राम you will write. So you are writing on the different games, cricket, volleyball, lambi daud, football, volleyball, etc. Okay, on all these different games, which will be the khiladi. Okay, the people who are going to participate as the people who are going to do the games. Okay, play the games, they are known as khiladi, the players. They will be selected. Okay, and also we'll make different teams also on this खेल परिषद. जो छात्र छात्राएं इसमें अपनी खेल प्रतिभा दिखाना चाहते हैं वे अधो हस्ताक्षरी के पास 3 दिनों के भीतर अपना नामांकन अवश्य करा दें. So the people who are interested to participate in these games, they can come and contact the Adho Hastakshari. You don't have to use such big words. You can use like any अध्यापिका या फिर HOD, head of the department. ऐसे भी लिख सकते हैं. उनको 3 दिनों में, within 3 days you have to come and do नामांकन. नामांकन means giving your names. Instead you can also write अपना नाम लिखवा दें. Okay, make them write your names. You can also write, you can write it simply instead of writing namankan and all. So this is how you write a notice. Kartar Singh, the person who is giving the notice, his name. Khel Shikshak, what is his position? Sachiv Khel Parishad. Okay, what is his position, and then you will end the notice. Now there are few examples I have which I'll show. Okay, first one is on Sandesh Lekhan. Okay, this is the example for संदेश लेखन. Okay, this is a message. It is written in the box. जन्म दिवस पर शुभकामनाएं, शुभकामना संदेश. This is a birthday wish. This is a message on birthday wish. तुम जियो हजारों साल, साल के दिन हो 50,000. See, this is a line that is written that you live long, okay, and you may live 50,000. Okay, so many years you may live. Dinank, date, March, year is given. Samay, date and time has to be correct and clear. Then you are writing the body. प्रिय बेटा अभिषेक, जन्मदिन की हार्दिक शुभकामनाएं. हार्टी कॉन्ग्रेचुलेशंस ऑन योर बर्थडे डियर सन अभिषेक. आप दीर्घायु हो, यू मे लिव लॉन्ग. स्वस्थ रहे, मे यू बी हेल्दी. और जीवन में निरंतर उन्नति के मार्ग पर अग्रसर रहें. एंड यू स्टे यू नो ऑलवेज अहेड इन योर लाइफ. ओके, यही मेरी ईश्वर से प्रार्थना है. दिस इज़ द ओनली प्रेयर आई हैव टू गॉड. Kamini, your name. This is how you write a message. See, very few words, okay, but still very easy and attractive. This is a message you're giving, especially you're wishing someone on his birthday. It has to be attractive. Okay, see how in different colors and they have written and bold writing and simple words, you know, may you live long, I pray for you, may you stay ahead in your life and all these things. Now let's see the next example I have is on advertisement. This is an advertisement, okay? See, sale, sunehra moka, avsar, sale. See what are the words that is being used in clouds and all. This is pencil. Jaldi kijiye, aisa avsar fir nahi milega. You won't get a chance like this again. And there is a pencil picture over there holding few books. Let's see what the advertisement is. हिंदी से जुड़े और साहित्य से शौकीन पाठकों के लिए जल्द ही मिल रहा है सुनहरा मौका. People who are very interested in sahitya, in philosophy of Hindi, and people who love reading books, for them there is a sunehra moka, golden chance. Sunehra moka is also a word you can use. It's golden chance. आप ही के शहर नई दिल्ली में हिंदी पुस्तकों की प्रदर्शनी का आयोजन हो रहा है. In your own city, Delhi, there is a pradarshani. Okay, pradarshani means exhibition on books. ओके, जिसमें हिंदी की महत्वपूर्ण पुस्तकें आधे मूल्य पर उपलब्ध होगी. वेयर हिंदी बुक्स, इंपॉर्टेंट हिंदी बुक्स विल बी सोल्ड इन हाफ प्राइज, आधे मूल. प्लीज नोट दीज वर्ड्स, हाफ प्राइज, आधे मूल. So that is why there is a picture given, a pencil holding many books. See how attractive this advertisement is. And then at the end you are giving the place, Sthan, Pragati Maidan, Nai Delhi. Okay, place has to be mentioned so that people can come over there. If possible, also mention time. Okay, here the time is not mentioned, but you can include time also. Now next I have example for advertisement. Again, this is another example for advertisement only. शिक्षार्थी कोचिंग सेंटर. Okay, शिक्षा को समर्पित एकमात्र संस्थान. Okay, this is a ekmatra sansthan, that is an institution for which is only for shiksha. Okay, only for education. सहानुनगर उत्तम वाटिका के सामने वाली गली नई दिल्ली. दे हैव ऑल्सो गिवन द एड्रेस ओवर देयर एंड फोन नंबर. अपने बच्चों को हमें दीजिए और निश्चिंत हो जाइए. सी हाउ दे हैव यूज्ड अट्रैक्टिव वर्ड्स. गिव योर किड्स टू अस एंड बिकम निश्चिंत. ओके, डोंट थिंक अबाउट एनीथिंग, डोंट बी इन एनी काइंड ऑफ स्ट्रेस. गिव योर चिल्ड्रन टू अस. हम करेंगे आपके अपने साकार, हम बनाएंगे उन्हें डॉक्टर इंजीनियर. सी you send your students to us, we are the ones responsible, we are going to make them doctor and engineer. Smart classes होंगे. Okay, it is going to be smart classes where projector will be used. projector द्वारा अध्ययन करवाने वाला राज्य का उत्तम कोचिंग संस्थान. राज्य, in your place, this is going to be the most famous, uttam, very great kind of a sansthan, institution in your place. Now this is a very important topic. I have seen in few question papers the same topic has come, that you know your brother is opening an institution, or you yourself is opening an institution, so you can use this. Okay, so please note these things, important words and examples also. I'm sorry, the next example is on Suchna, that is notice. Gautam Buddha Senior Secondary School, the name of your school. Gautam Buddha Nagar, you have written where it is, and then you write Suchna, and then there is date and month and year and all. Please follow the format your school is following. Okay, there can be changes. Next, you'll write the topic Swachhata ke prati Jagrukta Abhiyan. Awareness on Swachhata, that is cleanliness, is the topic. सभी छात्रों को सूचित किया जाता है कि नाउ ऑल द नोटिस, नॉट ऑल ऑफ देम, ऑफ कोर्स इफ इट इज फॉर स्कूल स्टूडेंट्स यू कैन बिगिन योर नोटिस इन दिस मैनर. प्लीज नोट दिस स्टार्टिंग लाइन, सभी छात्रों को सूचित किया जाता है कि, ओके. गांधी जयंती के शुभ अवसर पर उनके सपनों को साकार करने के लिए विद्यालय के सामने वाली बस्ती में सफाई अभियान चलाने एवं वहां के लोगों को सफाई के प्रति जागरूक करने का निर्णय लिया है. सो गांधी जयंती के अवसर पर, ऑन द डे ऑफ गांधी जयंती, उनके सपनों को साकार करने के लिए विद्यालय के सामने वाली, ओके, फॉर गांधी जी's ड्रीम्स, in order to bring it to, to execute the Gandhiji's dream, we have brought a program which will be on Samne Wali Basti, okay, opposite to the school, okay, where there is a place. Safai Abhiyan Chalane, there will be a cleanliness awareness program, and also लोगों को सफाई के प्रति जागरूक करवाएं, and also people will be made aware. जागरूक means awareness on the importance of cleanliness. We have decided, निर्णय लिया है, we have decided to place a program and अभियान. यह कार्यक्रम, एंड देन यू विल राइट द टाइमिंग, यह कार्यक्रम प्रातः 9 बजे से अपहरण 12 बजे तक चलेगा. फ्रॉम अर्ली मॉर्निंग 9 o'clock to 12 o'clock द थिंग विल हैपन. इच्छुक छात्र छात्राएं अपना नामांकन अधो हस्ताक्षरी के पास 28 दिसंबर तक अवश्य करें. सो the interested people can contact someone, संपर्क करें, you can include that word, okay, if you want, or you can write namankan, you can give the names, and you also should mention within how many days or before which date, okay, as it is mentioned here. Then you will write Satkar Saini, head Bhavya, okay, so you write the position and your name. This is how you write your notice, okay. So at the one thing also I'll tell you, प्लीज़ डोंट बिगिन योर नोटिस बाय सेइंग दैट विद्यार्थी हम सूचित करते हैं कि 9 बजे से 12 बजे तक ऐसी प्रोग्राम होगी. नो, डोंट गिव द टाइमिंग एंड प्लेस एंड ऑल एट द बिगिनिंग इटसेल्फ. फर्स्ट राइट व्हाट इज़ द प्रोग्राम, then give the date and what all will be included in the program and everything, and at the end you can say whom to contact and when to contact. Okay, this should be the format in which you write your notice. Now I hope I have given the examples also for everything, and I hope all the things were very clear, what all words to include and what are the meanings of those words and how to write. I hope I've really made it clear. Still, if you have doubt, you can ask me in the comment section. Thank you so much for watching my videos. Keep supporting. Bye bye.